What's going on, everybody? Tapping in back with you guys. Where we at, babe?
We are in Bayside. We're in Miami now. We're just here for the day and then we're going back to West Palm Beach. But yeah, we're just chilling. I wanted him to see Miami. Are you excited?
I am excited. I'm walking around with my eyes wide open, looking at everything. I like the views. The weather's not that bad. It's sticky as hell, but
it's not too bad.
Maybe because we're not in the sun. But it's fine right here. It's a nice little view. We're at like a little, it's like a little strip or what? Like a little shopping center.
Yeah, hella food, drinks. We just got here, so we're trying to look for something to eat. Don't know yet.
We was about to get pizza, but it wasn't looking very good.
Yeah, we're gonna choose something else. Maybe a restaurant would be better.
We tried to walk into a little hole in the wall spot. It wasn't happening.
Yeah. Anyway, so we're gonna go find something to eat. So see you in a bit.
See y'all.
The next day.
Dude, this is wild. Oh my gosh.
Cheers.
Oh, it's a paleta.
That looks like ice cream.
It is.
Oh, is that what paleta is?
You got a big ass pineapple.
Yeah, I'm about to eat it. Pull it out and eat it. Ooh!
Oh my. Cheers, baby.
Cheers.
The next day.
Huh?
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Alright, so what's going on? What's going on? It's your boy Anti-Hype. Follow me, Instagram. Anti_hype.
Follow him. Yep. Where we at, babe?
I don't know, you tell me.
We're in Miami. This is our second spot of the trip. Dang. Nice view.
Heck, a nice view. All white, linen.
Linen. Very Miami.
Yeah,
I feel like.
Sure.
Do.
That's it.
Yep, that's it.
Maybe when we get some YouTube money, our room tour will be longer.
I know. Usually it's like way more in depth. Here goes our closet. Oh, and the door's closing. Okay, I don't know what this is. Oh, that's probably the
electric unit.
Yeah. But yeah, you just walk in and it's like a little studio, I guess. Kinda. Here goes our bathroom. The toilet. Oh, he left me. Oh, it goes out this way too.
Windy out her.
Woo.
The next day.
Oh, hell no. I'm kind of jealous, I ain't gonna lie to you.
Steak and egg turkey?
Steak and eggs.
Hello guys. Say hi, babe.
What's up, babe?
It's been a minute. It's our last full day here in Florida. Really, really sad. It's bittersweet, huh, babe?
For sure.
I'm not ready. But then we miss our babies. Our little cat fur babies.
Cat fur babies.
I don't think we mentioned though, but we do have a Furbo camera that we're able to see them through our phones. And then it feeds them snacks. So we've been able to see them here and there, which makes us happy. Right when we got to the airport to leave to Florida, I freaking bawled my eyes out because we looked at the camera. We looked at the camera, like instantly hit me and I just bawled. For like a couple minutes, but yeah, it hit me and it was unexpected. This is like our first time being gone for this long from them, I think. Yeah. I've always done like weekend trips, or we've done weekend trips, but that's about it. Anyway, it's our last day. We went to breakfast earlier. What was it called?
What?
Lemonada or lemonada?
Yeah, limonada, brunch, and...
Bar and brunch, I think it was called. That was really good, unexpected. But yeah, right now we're just drinking some tequila.
We've been on tequila this whole trip, and that's not like us at all.
If y'all know, you know we're on Hennessy, but it just didn't feel right out here because we're in a tropical area.
Yeah, dark liquor didn't feel right.
Yeah, it just didn't feel right. So we've been on tequila this whole dang trip.
Nothing too crazy.
Yeah. We haven't actually gotten like faded or nothing this trip. Cool little buzz here and there. What?
Los is gonna beat our ass.
I don't care.
I already told him I've been faded. I'm just kidding. Nah, yeah, we've been kicking it. We've been drinking a good amount, but I think like we kind of spread it out and eat when we're supposed to.
We've seen some cruise boats out there chilling.
I think that might be the next move, y'all. Well,
yes.
I don't know about the next move, but at least I wasn't really, I mean, I'm still not all the way down with it, but now that I think about it, if I'm able to go in the air, we were in the air 40,000 feet coming here. Bro, if I can go in the air 40,000 feet, bro, they got like emergency little boats if things happen on the side and stuff. Like, I don't know. I'm afraid of big body waters, but I don't know. I think, like when I see them fly out, when I see them float out, it looks clean as hell.
Yeah, I think him, because he's always said no. And I wasn't
playfully said no though. Like I was saying no and I was serious saying no, but like I always knew in the back of my mind that it was for sure nothing like that I ruled out completely. I just needed to like feel the energy to want to go, and I think I felt that out here because I see 5 different cruise boats. So it's like, damn, they're about to have hella fun.
But yeah, so we're just gonna chill. I think we might go down to the pool bar. The pool bar. Grab some drinks or something. I don't know. And then I think we might go down to the beach. Hey, Dad.
Yeah. Let's take a shot with it, babe.
Take a shot. Hold on. Hold on. This is a mosquito bite. Okay? And right here I got bit on the side of my face.
And I got bit like 5 times on my arm.
Me too, on my arm right here. Look at that. Oh my.
We were in the pool. Yours looked like mine a couple days ago.
I know, look.
That's bad. Yeah, we were out in the pool for like
yours.
Mine got better.
Oh yeah.
We look like we got the same. Bruh. But anyways, yeah, we went to the pool for like 5 minutes and she got bit by like
under 10 minutes, and I was like, I felt something right here, like it started to get tight. It was way bigger. It was like a circle.
She started panicking, y'all.
Yeah, because I know how my mosquito bites get, and it ain't good. Okay, shot time.
Hey, you think this is water, Playboy? This ain't water, Playboy.
It ain't water.
Tequila, baby.
You guys got your shot ready?
Come on, man. Y'all better do it too.
Shot o'clock.
If you get here and you actually are drinking something, post it while you're watching our video.
Yes. Cheers with us.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Love you guys. Love you, babe.
Love you. I gotta wait for the chaser.
A beginning and chase?
Mm-hmm.
You got it, babe. See? Talented. Look at you. Looking sexier than ever, too.
Thanks, babe. Love you.
Love you more.
But it is our last full day, our last night. So I do want to take him somewhere where they have some bars so we can at least enjoy our last night and do some, I don't know, drinking activity. What do you call it? Bar activity? I don't know.
Adult activity.
Social activity.
Drinking activity. Getting fucked up activity.
Yep.
Getting wasted activity.
Yep.
But
oh my, you good?
Nope.
Hold on. I think I got a burp too now.
Don't throw up. That was for you on. Yes, sir.
Anyway, catch you guys on the flip side.
Catch you guys on the surf side, on the ocean side, on the beach side.
Where are you again? Ooh, look at those clouds.
Oh my.
We're in some kind of...
If they said a small windstorm, whatever that means.
Yeah, we're in some kind of windstorm right now, but it looks pretty bad.